In this video, you will learn how to do speed test of network in Linux operating system just using terminal. You will get to know everything how to install speedtest-cli and various usage of speedtest-cli command. Here I am using Ubuntu for installation and using speed test. First you need to install speed test. Use the command sudo apt install speedtest-cli to install speed test. This command may not work for some user. If you are using snap packages, you may get error like this. So in this scenario, use command snap install speedtest-cli. Now speed test is installed. It's time to do speed test of network using terminal. I want to clarify something. Speedtest-cli command hosted by speedtest.net. You will get similar result as you get in speedtest.net using web browser. Just tap speedtest-cli and hit enter button to do speed test of your network. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes for speed test result. Here is the result. You can see ping, download speed and upload speed, internet service provider and server location used for speed test. While using speedtest-cli command, you may get error like this. I got this error for the first time using speed test. Nothing to worry. Reason for this error is HTTP. It is unsecured. Your terminal is asking to use HTTPS. Use secure option with speedtest-cli. Here it is. And hit enter button to do speed test of your network. Here is the result. You can see ping, download speed and upload speed, internet service provider and server location used for speed test. Now let's explore various usage of speed test. Use help option with speedtest-cli to get help related to speed test. You can see that various options related to speed test command are available. Now I am using share options with speedtest-cli. It will display speed test result and also display a link for PNG file. Using this link, you can download PNG file of your speed test result via web browser and also can use wget command to download PNG file using terminal. Here it is. Using no download option with speedtest-cli will only display upload speed. It will not display download speed in speed test result. Similarly, using no upload option with speedtest-cli will only display download speed in speed test result. By default, speed test display result in megabit per second, but you can force speed test to display result in megabyte per second. Use bytes option with speedtest-cli to display speed test result in megabyte per second. You can also try various options available like this. If you want to display speed test result as simple as possible, just ping, upload and download speed. Use simple option with speedtest-cli. Thanks for watching this video.